Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate sauce from a chocolate bar. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a good quality chocolate bar, about 6 ounces, a liquid like milk or cream, around 1/2 cup, and an optional sweetener. The type of chocolate you choose will greatly impact the final flavor, so pick one you truly enjoy. This simple preparation ensures a delicious base for your sauce. Next, it's time to melt your chocolate. Break your chosen chocolate bar into small, even pieces to help it melt uniformly. You can use a double boiler, which is a gentle method, or a microwave, heating in short 30-second intervals. Remember to stir consistently. Overheating can ruin the texture, making your sauce lumpy, so be patient and keep the heat low. Now let's combine everything. Slowly whisk in your warm liquid into the melted chocolate until it forms a smooth, glossy sauce. If you're adding a sweetener, do so now and taste to adjust. The consistency is key. Add a little more liquid for a thinner sauce or a bit more melted chocolate for a richer, thicker one. A gentle simmer helps it reach perfection. Your homemade chocolate sauce is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm over your favorite desserts, like a scoop of vanilla ice cream or fresh berries. If you have any left, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. When you're ready for more, simply reheat it gently. This rich sauce is perfect for many sweet treats.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.